Hey, good morning everybody. It's Sunday and we're at it again. We got rained out yesterday in the middle of the second job. We got some really bad lightning and thunderstorms. So anyway, so our schedule's pretty jammed up next week, so we have to try to knock these back out yet today. So at any rate, here we go. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be another hot one today. I don't think we're supposed to get any rain until much later this afternoon, so we should be good. All right, we'll see you at the job. All right, everybody, we're at our first job today. 2-car driveway. I'm going to show you what we got going on. Actually, I said 2-car, it's a 3-car driveway. We got some oil stain here. Let's see if we can kind of lighten that up or get that out of here. And it's pretty bad. Looks like somebody had one here before and tried to get it out. And front walkway. So, not a big job, but that's what we got for now. Let's get going.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it.
All right, guys, we just got done the one driveway. We had 2 other neighbors come over, and we took care of one, and now we're working on the third one. Just driveways, but you can see it's pretty bad in here. Got green and algae. Walkway going over there. Let's go this way. Walkway down through here and driveway. So trying to beat the rain. That's what we've been dealing with all week long. So you can kind of see the sky up there. It's really blue along there and then real dark here, and then really blue again. That's Florida for you. All right, well, let's get busy. All right, guys, so we're all done this one. Let's take a walk around and see how it came out. Yeah, so much better. Pavers came out. A little more green and black on here. Looks good. All right. Well, that's it. We got rained on just a little bit, but enough to not enough to not get done. So all right, we're coming back also in 2 weeks. At the end of the month, we're coming back to clean his pool deck and seal the seal it also. So all right.